Analyzing result for case study tends to be more opinion based than statistical method. The usual idea is to try and collate your data into manageable form and construct a narrative around it. Use examples in your narrative while keeping things concise and interesting. It is useful to show some numerical data, but remember that you are only trying to judge trends and not analyze every last piece of data. Constantly refer back to your bullet points so that you do not lose focus. It is always a good idea to assume that a person reading your research may not possess a lot of knowledge of the subject. So, try to write that deeply and accordingly so your audience or reader understand the intricacies of the topic as well as get to know the topic in a very deeper manner. In addition, unlike a scientific study which deals with facts, a case study is based on opinion and is very much designed to provoke reasoned debate. There really is no right or wrong answer in a case study.